Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. In today's video, we'll guide you through the simple process of resetting your TP-Link BE11000 Wi-Fi 7 range extender. Resetting can resolve connectivity issues, restore factory settings, and let you set it up from scratch for optimal performance. Stay tuned as we walk you through the steps. Resetting the TP-Link BE11000 Wi-Fi 7 range extender is necessary to fix connectivity issues, restore default settings, and remove incorrect configurations. It helps resolve slow speeds, connection drops, forgotten passwords, or setup failures, ensuring a fresh start for stable and optimized Wi-Fi performance. Before starting the reset process, ensure that your TP-Link BE11000 Wi-Fi 7 range extender is plugged into a power outlet and powered on. Check that the power LED is lit, indicating that the device is receiving power and is ready for reset. Find the reset button on your TP-Link BE11000 Wi-Fi 7 range extender. It is typically a small, recessed button labeled Reset, often placed inside a tiny hole to prevent accidental resets. Use a paperclip or pin to press it when needed. Use a small pin or paperclip to carefully press and hold the reset button on your TP-Link BE11000 Wi-Fi 7 range extender for approximately 10 to 15 seconds. Keep holding until the LED indicators start flashing, signaling that the reset process has begun. After holding the reset button, release it and wait for 1 to 2 minutes while your TP-Link BE11000 Wi-Fi 7 range extender reboots. The device will automatically restart and revert to its original factory settings, ensuring a clean slate for a fresh setup. After the reset process is complete, the LED indicators on your TP-Link BE11000 Wi-Fi 7 range extender will return to their default state. You'll notice the Wi-Fi network name reset to TP-Link_extender_XXXX, indicating that the extender is ready for a fresh setup. Now that the reset is complete, you can reconfigure your TP-Link BE11000 Wi-Fi 7 range extender using either the manual setup method or the WPS method, just like during the initial installation. Follow the setup steps to reconnect and optimize your Wi-Fi coverage. If you experience any issues or need assistance, our team of expert professionals is ready to help. Feel free to reach out for support and guidance. Contact us anytime at 1-323-507-3713, and we'll ensure a smooth setup process for you. That's all. You've now successfully reset your TP-Link BE11000 Wi-Fi 7 range extender. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below with any questions. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tech guides.